How's everybody doing?
I forgot how we even do our intro.
So listen, we're not dead.
Oh, don't even say that.
People might have thought so.
No, we're not dead. We didn't. We
just been busy.
We've been busy.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. What day is it?
Saturday.
It's been a million years since we did one of these videos, but
we're not dead. We are alive.
We are not dead. He insists on communicating.
We've just been busy. So yeah, life has been going on. So we're the camper. I guess I crack her up. So we decided that this weekend we would do some work on the camper. That we have in some stuff we've neglected for a little bit. And because it's a surface of the sun at home, to try to park the camper in the yard and do the work didn't work. Wasn't going to work. So we decided to come to a local campground near our land in Pahrump and stay here for a couple nights. So blast on the AC and be able to work inside.
Yes.
So, and you're probably wondering, wow, that AC is super quiet. And it's actually not, but we don't have it out because my wife won't let me.
Well, you...
So...
You're cracking yourself up.
Yes.
Let me get a word in edgewise.
Oh, go ahead. The
reason the AC is not on is because you would not be able to hear us speaking because it sounds like a jet plane landing on the roof of the RV.
Anyway.
Okay, commence.
So some of the work that we've done. So this is EPro 15TB, and there's a couple known issues that everybody knows. Mm-hmm. One thing is that the speakers, there's two speakers inside. They are wired to one channel. So I had to take the radio out and rewire that. So now it plays in stereo. So each speaker has its own side, so it sounds a little bit better. So that got done. And you'll see in a minute or two, we put some LED lights because the lights in here are super bright. And
obnoxiously so.
Yeah, I mean, some people put dimmers on them, but I didn't really want to do a dimmer. So we put some LED strips in. We put them in a diffuser, so it's a softer light. Mm-hmm. So we can change the colors and all that funky stuff. So
it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
it's a mood setter.
Yeah,
I'd
so
say.
we did that, and we are going to. I think next we're going to see about doing a Lagun table. So we're going to try to get that so we can actually sit and eat without putting plates on our lap.
I have very strong feelings about the Lagun table.
So we're going to try it.
If you have a 15TB or you have a very small camper, you know that floor space is at a minimum. And a Lagun table is only going to reduce that floor space.
It is, but I do like to be able to put like stuff down on a table when I'm trying to eat. No. You're going to hold my food? I don't think you are. So anyway, so we're going to try to do the Lagun table. And then the other thing we want to do is we want to replace the faucet. I don't know if we're going to get to that.
Yeah, I don't think so.
That may be in another video, but because I got to get this large body in that small undersink hole.
In this, let me show you what he's talking about.
So that's
right under there.
That small hole.
Crazy.
So new faucet, residential, pulls out, has a sprayer, and the installation. See how well we can see under here. You can see I put some shutoffs, and I'll put the link in the description below where you can get those shutoffs. They do make adapters as well. I ended up cutting off the PEX lines and putting the shutoffs because I'd really like to have them there, but they have adapters that you can leave on the existing. And then quick installation, just remove the back panel. I also removed the side panel. And that's about it. So, Lagun table.
We did it.
We did put this in as well, mounted it down to the side. I don't know how well you can see that. Mounted down on the side. Swivels if we need to.
It's very very fancy.
Just simple. And then when we actually go to bed, we'll actually take it off the mount and stick it underneath the bed. It'll actually go up and over the countertop if we need to just move it out of the way while we're like serving and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
And I did put up a fight. I did not want this table. I understand the purpose of it, and happily we're able to lift it up and tuck it under the bed when we're not using it, like he said.
And it's very simple. It's a quick disconnect. Boom. And it's out.
And then I'm
under the bed.
And then I'm happy again.
So
All right.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
All right.